In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Brevo with Gohighlevel. We'll be working directly inside Gohighlevel to find and install the Brevo integration you want to use. This is a simple process, but it helps to know exactly where to click so you can get set up smoothly without confusion. First, go to Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct sub-account. This part is important because integrations are usually connected at the sub-account level. So you want to be in the exact account where you plan to use Brevo. Once you're in your sub-account, look for the app marketplace and click into it. The app marketplace is where Gohighlevel keeps available integrations and add-ons, so this is the main area you'll use to connect Brevo. After that, head to the search bar and type in Brevo. Give it a few seconds because the results may take a moment to appear. If you don't see anything instantly, just wait briefly and let the marketplace finish loading the search results. When the results show up, you'll be able to choose which Brevo app you want to install. This is an important moment because there may be more than one option, depending on what you want Brevo to do inside Gohighlevel. One option you may see is Brevo for workflows. You may also see Brevo email messaging, as well as Brevo action automation for workflows. Take a second to look at the app names carefully so you select the one that matches your intended use. For example, if your goal is related to email sending, the email messaging option may be the relevant one. If your focus is automation inside workflows, then the workflow-related option may be the better fit. Once you've selected the Brevo app you want, open the app page. This will take you into the app details, where you can review the integration before adding it to your account. It's always a good idea to double-check that you open the correct app, especially if the names are similar. From there, click install and then follow the prompts on screen. Gohighlevel will guide you through the setup process, and the exact prompts may vary slightly depending on the Brevo app you chose. Just continue through each step carefully and make sure you approve any required permissions during the installation. And that's it. Once the installation is complete, your selected Brevo integration will be added to your Gohighlevel sub-account and ready for the next stage of setup or use.